Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the blur function on the AirBrush application, meaning that you can defocus selected areas on your pictures. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the camera icon to take a picture, or to the library button to select a photo from your gallery, and then click on the tools button down below. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find this blur section, and then you should select the brush size on this scale, and then brush over the selected areas that you want to defocus. As you can see, it's being blurred. So if you want to erase it, for example, you should tap on the eraser button, and then you can erase the blurred effect. If you tap on the auto button, it will defocus automatically the background. If you want to save it, click on the check mark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.